Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sort in Excel but keep rows together. So first, as you can see, I have an example data over here. So if I want to sort the names over here from A to Z, what I could try to do is just simply go ahead and go for the data over here at the top. And now here on the data, you could just simply go for the sort over here. So first you have to select anywhere over here first. And now as you can see, automatically, it will be selecting all of the data that we have. And now from here, guys, just make sure my data has headers is checked over here. And now you could go for sort by. So I'm going to go for full name. So now from here, just simply go ahead and go for the order. And as you can see, we have A to Z. So make sure to select that, whether to go for Z to A or A to Z. And now you could just simply select OK. And you should be able to have an order. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.